What is up, guys? My name is Bobo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to give you a hotel tour, and this hotel is called Bali Garden Beach Resort. Hello, good morning. How are you? Ready to check out?
Check it out.
All right. How's your stay?
It's lovely, thank you.
All right. Okay, this is the lobby area. I'm gonna walk in. Hello, what's up?
Hello.
Are you checking out?
Yeah.
How's your stay so far?
Right.
Good.
Great.
Beautiful.
How long have you been here?
Since Thursday.
Since Thursday.
Yeah.
Wow. What's your name?
Lisa and Darren.
Lisa and Darren. Hello, nice to meet you, Lisa and Darren.
What are you doing?
I'm making YouTube video
Oh, good. To get more people here.
to get more people there.
Yeah.
Come to Bali, it's open.
Wow, thank you so much.
Right.
Can I have you a quick question? Are you a couple, sibling, or a stranger?
Couple.
All right, thank you so much. That's it.
He's my father.
Oh, it's your dad.
And she's a smart ass.
All right, thanks. Well, let's take a walk to the lobby area. And this is the lobby area. Actually, I do have video about this hotel about 1 month or 2 months ago, if I'm not mistaken, but I do have requests for someone, so that's why I'm gonna do this hotel update today. I'm gonna walk to the swimming pool and we'll share the room again for the second time. I like the sounds of the water falling through the fish pond. It feels so refreshing. And there is a tour desk over here for you, just in case if you want to do any tours or activities. Hello, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's take a walk, everybody. So to get down to the swimming pool, you'll have to walk down through some staircase, which is this one now. Not too much. Wow, here I am. And up here you can see the fish pond, some water fountains, big school of fish. It's a freshwater fish. They're all black, and have a look at the fish. They're running toward me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. And up here the fish is different. I can see there's some yellow fish, I can see some white fish, and I can see some red and white fish. I can see some red and black fish. I think I'm gonna walk this way. And there are more fish here. Water lily, beautiful flowers, Buddha face, and lamps. And this one is, it must be a restaurant. I can see some stove in here. Wow, this is good. I can see some wild birds flying in between the trees, and I think I'm gonna walk this way. I want to show you over there just for the views. It's really nice and quiet out there. So many trees around. They're so healthy. They must have been taken care of them very goodly, I can tell. Wow. It's really nice and peaceful. So the swimming pool is over there. Actually, this hotel, it has two different swimming pools, and this is the first one. I'm gonna show you this swimming pool first, then I'll show you the other one. And this is the first swimming pool I want to show you guys. Welcome to the swimming pool. Wow, it's so pretty. The swimming pool is very, very nice. And look like they have some kind of jacuzzi over there. I can see the water bubbling. I'm not so sure. If you guys have any experience in this swimming pool or this hotel, please put a comment down below. Let me know about it. Would love to hear it. Let's continue to walk, exploring this hotel. Wow, wow, wow. I want to say wow. And I don't know if you recognize that statue over there. It's face, eyes, nose, mouth, no face. I don't know how to say it. You can see a bit of ear and neck. It's just different. And this is the second swimming pool. Oh my gosh, this swimming pool is full. I can see there's so many people are staying by the pool. And this is the sun bath under the trees. And the pool bar is over there. Wow. And there are so many people are chilling. Let me take you to the other side. Keep walking. This one is beautiful fountains. The water is just spouting out of the rock mouth. And this is the restaurant. This restaurant is open in the afternoon. It's very nice location. It's on the beach. I mean, so you can see the ocean views from here. And they have more sitting area over there. Well, one more swimming pool. Oh my God. I didn't know that. So this hotel has 3 different swimming pools. There's so many right left on the floors. And that is the ocean. This is the swimming pool. The swimming pool is so pretty. And that is the ocean. Well, it is time now to show you the room. Let's take a walk to the room, everybody. Let's go. Let's take a walk in the room. The room number is 335. Let me open the door. The door is open. Ta-da! This is what it's gonna look like. And to my right over here is the bathroom. You can find there a single sink, 2 bottles of mineral water, 2 glasses, and this is bottle opener, some lotion in here, and then there are 4 small towel, or I don't know what you call that. Please let me know. And this is a mirror. This is a big mirror, and that's me. Have a look here on the top. Very beautiful light. And then one more large mirror over there. This is the toilet. Sit-up toilet. And there is this trash can in here. And let me show you the shower. The shower is behind the door. This is a towel rack or a shelf. And this is the rain shower. Over there you can find flying shelf for lotion, shampoo, or I don't know what are those. Beautiful faucet. And it is time now to walk in the room. Let's walk in the room. And this is the closet. You can find some clothing hanger over there, some storage in here, and this is sliding door, and safety box is here, and there is a fridge here. This is the fridge. Let me open the fridge. The fridge is working, it's just empty. And this one, there's desk or a table with a large mirror in here, flat screen TV on the wall, nice desk right in between 2 table or whatever you call it. This was made of wood, very well made. It's so beautiful. And that is the door to the balcony. In the corner there is a desk with some hotels amenity, and this is the bath. Let me show you the bathroom from here. This is a king-size bath with 2 nightstands and very beautiful, wall decorated, nice ceiling, air conditioning over there. Let me show you this up close, the desk. You can find here kettle, cup, coffee, tea, trash can, and this is the chair. And there's some storage in here. And it is time to walk out to the balcony. And there's one more chair here. This is the curtain. Let me show you again one more time the room. So this room is called Deluxe. It's so spacey, so clean, and it smells so good. The air conditioning is very good. It's so nice and cool. Let me open the door. Welcome to the balcony. This is the balcony. You can see over there towel rack and air conditioner behind the box. This is the views from the room. It's so pretty. There is a face mount down below over there. You can really see it. There is a round table, 2 chairs. Well, everybody, this is it, my video for today. Hopefully you'll enjoy that. Honestly, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and don't forget to keep smiling.